In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the head pointer on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, scrolling down underneath Motor, select where it says Pointer Control. And then where it says underneath alternate control methods, head pointer allows the pointer to be controlled using the movement of your head captured by a camera, requires an available camera, toggle that to the on position. Again, you have to make sure you have a camera connected to your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.